To add Google Forms to your website in Wix, just open Google Forms and select the form you want to add. For example, this contact information form. Click on Publish and copy the link. Then go to your website and click on the plus element button in the top left corner. Then select Embed Code, and here you are going to click on Embed a Site. Once added to the site, resize it, bring it into position, and then select website address, and here below what's the website address, you are going to insert or paste the link of the contact information form you have copied before. Click on apply and then finally resize it, adjust the size and bring it to the whole page. And now let's preview it to see how it looks like. Just to show you how this is working, we are going to insert some informations inside this contact form, for example a name and an email address. Then we are going to submit these contact informations, and if we are going back to the contact form inside Google Forms and click on responses, we can see that it was successful. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.